Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing a huge number in your bank account. Maybe your crypto moonshot exploded. Maybe that small Shopify store you started last year just went viral. Or maybe an AI side hustle suddenly made you $500,000 overnight. Feels unreal, right? But here is the truth: minus 2025 is creating more overnight millionaires than any other year in history. And while that sounds amazing, it's also dangerous, because 90% of people who suddenly get rich online go broke within 5 years. Not because they're dumb, but because they never learned how to stay rich. So in this video, I'm breaking down 7 rules every digital millionaire must follow to keep their wealth, protect their freedom, and turn that one lucky moment into a lifetime of passive income. Rule number 1. Stay invisible. When your side hustle or investment blows up, your first instinct will be to post it everywhere. New car, new watch, screenshot of that Stripe dashboard? Don't. The moment you tell the world you're rich, you invite scammers, fake friends, and even hackers into your life. The new rich in 2025 have a name: stealth wealth creators. They live quiet. They move smart. They build trust funds, not TikTok flexes. Want proof? Look at the story of crypto millionaire Eric Finman. Made millions before 20. Lost half of it trying to impress people online. He later said, "The flex isn't the car, it's peace of mind." So before buying that Lambo, buy privacy. Hire a good tax lawyer. Set up a trust. Silence greater than spotlight. Rule number 2. Don't quit working. Quit the wrong work. See, when sudden money hits, most people retire instantly, and that's how they lose it. Because when you stop creating, you start consuming. The real winners use their freedom to build smarter businesses. If you made it big with e-commerce, use that skill to launch a digital brand. If you earn through crypto, learn DeFi, staking, or token analytics. If AI helped you win, reinvest in automation tools that scale your next project. In 2025, work isn't punishment, it's leverage. Your money should buy you better problems, not boredom. Rule number 3. Use your wealth to wipe bad debt clean. You're rich now, but if you heist you paying 25% credit card interest, you're basically burning cash. Pay off high-interest loans, first credit cards, payday loans, and car payments. Then, keep the cheap debt like 2 to 3% mortgages if it helps you invest more. Think of it like this. Paying off a 25% debt is the same as earning a 25% risk-free return. No crypto, no stocks, just common sense. Rule number 4. Money changes relationships faster than AI changes jobs. When your online business blows up, the people around you will notice. Old friends will suddenly pitch the next big app. Cousins will need a small loan. Someone will say, "Hey, you're lucky. Just help us out." Here's the harsh truth. You can help people once, but never twice. If you give as a gift, not as a loan, and make one rule clear. No one asks twice. Protect your circle. Protect your peace. Because the wrong person can drain your wealth faster than the market ever could. Rule number 5. Only spend what your money earns. In 2025, the smart money doesn't live off their fortune, they live off their cash flow. You should never touch your core capital. That's your freedom fund. Instead, build income streams that pay you forever. AI automation tools on autopilot, YouTube channels that earn ad revenue, affiliate blogs and newsletters, digital products that sell while you sleep. Here's your rule of thumb. If you want $100,000 a year in passive income, aim for a $2.50 3M digital portfolio. That's your freedom figure. The number that lets you quit hustling for good. Rule number 6. Make your money work in multiple lanes. Here's a 2025 example of a future-proof digital millionaire portfolio. 30% gives index funds and ETFs, slow growth, long-term security. 25% gives real estate, Airbnb automation, or REITs. 20% gives digital assets, websites, AI tools, YouTube channels. 15% gives crypto and tokenized projects, high risk. High reward, 10%, cash, and high-yield savings for emergencies. Diversify your sources of passive income the same way you diversify your investments. Because the moment one stream dries up, the others keep flowing. Remember, wealth dies when you stop creating. Build systems, not stress. Rule number 7. Enjoy it, but don't waste it. Set aside 5 to 10% of your wealth for fun money. Buy the car, take the trip, spoil your parents. You earned it. But remember, true wealth isn't about owning more stuff. It's about owning your time. When you control your time, you control your life. The flex isn't a Lambo, it's waking up with zero alarms, zero bosses, and zero stress. So, if you just got rich overnight, congrats. But the real challenge starts now. Protect your privacy. Delete your debt, reinvest your earnings, and let your money work harder than you do, because the goal isn't to look rich online, it's to stay rich offline. If you want a full guide on how to build passive income streams in 2025, tap the video right here. And hey, if this helped you think smarter about your money, smash that subscribe button, because the next millionaire might be you.